Industrialization and urbanization has changed the face of the temple city of India, Bhubaneswar. From being a small town, it now supports an urban population of nearly 19 lakhs. A well-planned city by German architect Otto Koenigsberger, it boasts of rich cultural heritage. The city offers ace healthcare facilities, top IT infrastructures and higher education. A dream destination for one and all, Bhubaneswar now promises a contemporary urban life with a sylvan countryside. Go ahead and take a fresh view of your life. Here's presenting to you Acropolis. Eco-friendly environment with large reserves of forests nearby are some of the merits for Acropolis. Availability of urban transport and easy access to the airport, railway station and multiplexes makes life in Acropolis attractive. Being the connecting point between NH5 and 200 feet wide proposed Khurda-Cuttack Road, Acropolis is located in Gotapatna with landmarks like Khandagiri and Udayagiri, which are National Heritage Sites, CET College, Vrindavan Gurukul, Center for Performing Arts, DAV School, Some Hospital, Times Residential College, International Management Institute and IIIT. The proposed InfoCity 2 is in close vicinity of Acropolis. Spread over an area of 15 acres, Acropolis has 23 well-designed blocks with 1100 flats. Functional and aesthetically suitable, it's an architectural masterpiece. The gated complex to the Acropolis is state-of-the-art design. Separate entry and exit points with wide driveways ensure safety, security and convenience. Ample parking has been provided in the stilt floor. Acropolis provides amenities like elegantly designed landscaped gardens, a perfect ambience for quiet evenings for families, a long meandering pathway through the greens, badminton courts for sports, and with an exclusively children's play area, Acropolis is the ultimate touchdown. The clubhouse at Acropolis is a repository of recreational amenities with multi-gym for physical fitness, a community hall with facilities for conferences, socio-cultural events. It provides for a restaurant, convenient shopping and card room. Let us now proceed to discover one such residential flat at Acropolis. The main entry opens to the drawing to provide a warm welcome to guests and visitors. The drawing leads to a well-ventilated dining where family can enjoy a sumptuous meal together. An attached balcony to the drawing dining hall gives a marvelous view of the surrounding. Kitchen for a modern household with provisions like granite cooking platform, ceramic tiles cladding and a stainless steel sink. A clean, hygienic common toilet for guest and family use. Separate guest bedroom that is spacious with attached toilet to ensure privacy. The master bedroom is directly accessible from the dining hall. It is large, airy, well lighted. A morning cup of tea can be enjoyed from the balcony next to it. Bathroom, like all others, has exquisite fittings of Jaguar and Mark, designer tiles and provisions like exhaust fan and geyser. There is an option of a third bedroom which is functional and comfortable. All walls have been painted with synthetic distemper with putty finish which renders it with a natural shine and glow. Backed by Acrox Realcon Private Limited, a premier company which believes in delivering top quality construction within a stipulated time frame, has made Acropolis one of its kind to inhabit. come, inhabit, and experience a wonderful life at Acropolis.